This is a Seiko 6217 MAS, but it's kind of a special one. This is an early one. The first 2 months, they were made with the so-called small crown. It looks just like the larger crown, and it's signed and everything, but it's a little smaller. But these were only made at the very beginning of the 62 MAS run. That's all original lume. The dial lume is fantastic. It's got a few little marks here and there. The marker tops have this slight frosted look to them. And I've seen this in a couple of other 62 MAS's, early ones. I don't know if it was supposed to look like that, but it's really attractive. And it's the way the marker metal looks. The dial is clean. I re-lumed this pip with some old vintage Seiko lume. That's where that was. That's an original ring besides. It's a dolphin case back, and as such, these tended to wear away pretty quickly. This watch had a fair amount of wear. You can just make out the dolphin right there as it goes through that high thing. So May of 1965. The watch is fully serviced. It comes with my warranty. I've rebuilt the crown with new gaskets, got other new gaskets. That's a new crystal. This is a genuine TROPIC strap with a Seiko branded buckle, which is what these were sold on originally. Now, one thing about this watch, I had actually previously sold this watch, but the gentleman, he noticed and pointed out that the dial was printed counter-clockwise by like half a degree. I have a segment I want to put in, and I want to show that. If you look, get right there. See how the hash mark is slightly above the stem? That's the deviation. That's the percent on which the minute track was printed slightly out. I've adjusted the feet like very carefully, and that's the deviation now. Okay. Here are the current numbers. I haven't adjusted this, and this is just, I got it running and got it up to power, and it's just been running to make sure we get steady numbers out of it. And I'll adjust this a little bit. There is the watch itself. There is that orange text movement. Here is a case back with my KBW mark. So I've gone back through, and I have, I checked everything through the movement. I actually went through and pulled the balance and the winding weight and the winding bridge, and I just checked over everything to make sure it looked okay. I relubricated a couple things I had access to just because it looked at it, and why not? That's it for this side of the thing, but the movement is serviced, and I'll update my service mark for today's date. So there you go. Serviced, ready to wear. Lots of, I almost think that having frosted marker tops should have been the way they did it. It looks really nice. So if you're in the market for a 62 MAS with a full warranty and everything else, fully serviced, good to go, there you go. Thank you very, very much. A reminder, this is a genuine TROPIC strap with the Seiko buckle, as is correct.